Sac passé. Sac passé. Map boulé. Map boulé. We are going to do speech drills from leçon 7. You're going to notice a lot of review in the speech drills from leçon 7 to leçon 9. That's because these are your final 3 speech drills. And from now on, these 3 will be enough to help you to move forward articulating like a Haitian. If you feel like, oh, my TRs are sounding like tree, tried, true, now you know to go to the TR speech drill. If you feel like your vowels, you're having a hard time with the short eh and the short ah, then you know to go to your vowel speech drills. If your is not impressing you, then you know to go to your nasal blend speech drills video, okay? So as usual, I'm going to say the entire speech drill for you to just tande, hear, tande. And then you are going to répéter each word after me twice. You will répéter each line after me twice. And then you will répéter the entire speech drill after me twice. Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fait, fa, faux, fort. OK. Répétez. Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fait, fa, faux, fort. Okay. Deep breath. Release. Répétez. Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fait, fa, faux, fort. Bien fait. If you feel like I went too fast, you can always pause. If you feel like I'm going too slowly, you can say it 2 times. Everyone learns at a different rate. As we're progressing in speech drills, I am going a little faster because I feel you can handle it. Line for line. Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fait, fa, faux, fort. Répétez. Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fait, fa, faux, fort. Now we're going to répéter the whole thing. Ou paré, ou paré. You ready? Din, dun, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fe, fa, fo, fo. Bien fait. Répétez. Din, dan, don, de, da, do, do. Fin, fon, fon, fe, fa, fo, fo. Bien fait. Now that you've done the speech drill, you are ready to say the vocabulaire with Emily. And after that, we're going to go deeper with vocabulaire set. This is a very exciting lesson. You are going to learn to tell tenses in past tense. You are going to learn to memorize the days of the week and the months of the year. This is exciting. Okay. Nawe, pita. Nawe, pita.